No, we already got.
We already got how we gonna tie it
Fuck
up.
their responses.
Like,
we gonna.
We don't even give a fuck about what they talking about.
Fuck
We
what
just
they talking
using them to fill up, like,
So
and
basically,
give an
what
opinion.
we have learned,
Yeah.
they can take what they learned from other people on their own. What we learned was we already got that wrapped up. What the fuck we learned from love and finding the definitions on our own. So let's look at the definition of cheating right now, so we can know what the fuck it actually means. Your laptop. To defraud, swindle, cheated her out of her inheritance.
It's gonna be used with because you're cheating.
But deception and fraud is enough. Deceives and defraud. That's enough right there.
Right, but that's
liar.
That's when you're using cheat as a noun. I'm saying when you're using cheating as a verb, just to use it objectively, we're gonna go by that. And so it's like to deceive, to influence by fraud, to defraud, to swindle. You're doing that when you cheat because you're having this.
The same words.
I know, but
Same words.
But we don't want to use it as a noun.
All right,
We don't want to call.
I understand. All right,
Yeah.
but still the same words, only with the different
No,
suffix.
Cheating is to elude, deprive of something expected. I'm saying like when you use this as a person, with this, that, and third, we don't want to use it as a person. We want to use it as the verb that it is, and that's what you're doing. Basically, is you're thinking that you're in this committed relationship. Exactly. So come on and read these definitions. So we had the audio.
Because you fucking. Let's go.
No, there's a difference.
All right, listen. I don't
Listen.
give a fuck. Listen.
Stop.
I don't care. I'm going with it because you say the same thing. It's the same thing. The same fucking words and it's both definitions. All right, I understand. I'm rocking with you. So let's rap. Right.
What's the issue?
The issue is the way you speaking.
Thinking to you. Stop with the drunk thinking that
All right,
somebody's
I'm not
talking
even
to you.
drunk.
Stop fucking dealing with your ego
Listen,
when we're doing
I
something.
deal with mine.
No,
I deal with mine.
Stop
I deal with
it.
mine.
Stop
Then
it.
start. Listen.
Stop it. We're trying
Read the
to
fucking
get something
definitions.
done.
Read the
We're trying
definitions
to get
then.
something done, man. But
You can read them. You can read them.
Deal with
You can read
your
them.
ego so bad.
You can read 'em,
Like
man.
somebody talking to you some type of way. Nobody
Yeah.
talking to you no type of way.
All right, read the definition.
Ain't nobody talking to you no type of way. What the fuck is the problem? Can we get some shit done? What the fuck is the problem?
The problem is fucking I this, I that. No, fuck. I'm saying read the definitions.
what?
Read the definitions.
What?
Read
What
the
the fuck is
definitions.
the issue?
The issue is it's the same fucking words in both definitions. The same fucking words. I'm saying if you want to use it as a verb, use it as a verb then. I don't care. I don't care. Use it as a verb. We'll use it now. Use it as a noun. You can read all the definitions. It's cheating. It's the same fucking words used in a different way.
To defraud.
But it all says the same thing, whether it's a verb or a
It
noun.
matters that we're correct. It's no deal. Don't stop taking shit like somebody trying to talk to you. Something like stop thinking your ego's being attacked every fucking time, man. I don't want to deal with that shit if we're gonna do this consistently. I don't want to deal with that shit like I'm not trying to be on no shit, but goddamn, man, don't bring me the shit and then think that, you know what I'm saying, it ain't gonna be no reaction to it. Because I said, let's use this as a verb, and what the fuck is the issue?
He said yes, sir. Let me say you right.
is your
Does that
problem?
dead it though?
What the fuck is
Does
your
that dead it though?
problem?
You don't know when to
What the
cut it
fuck is
short.
your
You don't know when to cut it short.
No.
If I say let's dead it, let's keep moving.
Because I don't deal with no
Let's
fucking
keep it
broad
moving.
ass attitude.
Then don't
man.
fucking deal with it.
Fuck.
We've been over this time and
What the
time
fuck is
again.
the point? What the
God
fuck is
damn
you
it.
bringing
Can
shit
we
to
knock
the
this
shit
shit
for?
the fuck out, man?
What the fuck is the point?
Can we knock? I gotta take a piss.
What the fuck is the
I
point?
gotta take a piss. Hopefully when I come
What the
back,
fuck
you know
is
what
the
I'm saying,
point, man?
everything will be dead.
Fuck your hope, man.
The fact is that we needed to add the definition into it in the beginning. Boom. No, we don't gotta do that. As soon as she say yeah, oh, now you understand. And then it's like the big deal. Oh, I don't want to do it this way. I don't want to do it that way. Stop thinking. You talk about somebody thinking with an ego. Niggas, I. It's connotation involved with the fuck everything you say. It's not about I. It's not about Quincy T. fucking Johnson. It's an anti-social show. It's the anti-social. It's the anti-social show. It's not Quincy T. Johnson. It's not Clifford A. Wright. It's the anti-social show. It's not about us. It's about the viewers. It's not about our perspective. It's about, you know what I'm saying, a fucking wide spectrum of things. It's not about one minuscule person or anything like that, or one minuscule entity. It's about a wide spectrum of things. That's what the anti-social is based on. So when we start getting into I,
Because I said I what?
I I don't feel it should be this. I don't. It's not about I. There's no
I
I.
have an opinion in this
All right.
fucking show.
And we
you know what I'm saying? I have an
we gotta get it
opinion,
done.
You know what I'm saying? Just like you have an opinion in this fucking show. If you
And I bring it to the table.
take-
And I bring it to
If
the
you can't
fucking
fucking
table.
take somebody saying I,
Yeah,
that
I don't
has
like that.
nothing to do.
Right.
Well, that's too fucking bad.
All right, then I have to deal with it, or then I won't deal with it. But like we here right now.
Too fucking bad.
We here
But
right now.
please don't let your fucking ego. So because
I'm glad the
I
third party was
because
here.
I stopped.
Yeah.
And then adjusted. You have a fucking problem with it? Check your fucking ego.
I don't have a problem with it anymore.
Seriously.
We still on it.
Seriously.
We still on it. We
Check
on
your fucking
reading.
self right
we
there.
on
Like,
re-
think about what
we
the fuck
on
you
reading
just
the
said.
definitions.
Think about what the fuck you just said.
What's up?
No.
I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking
No.
about that right now.
No,
I'm thinking
because I
about
don't wanna
seeing
deal
this all the way
with
through.
this again. I
Yeah,
don't want to
then-
deal with this
then we
again.
don't gotta. Then we don't gotta
You know what I'm
fucking deal
saying?
with it again.
I don't want to do.
I'm never wrong. Fuck that. My ego is in the way.
You need to
Stay in the
check
way.
it.
No,
check
I'm
that
not.
shit at the
I'm
fucking
not.
door, man.
I'm not
Cause this
going
shit is corny, man. This shit is
Fuck, you
corny.
think it's corny?
It is corny. You know what I'm saying? I don't give a fuck.
No,
You know what
I
I'm
don't
saying?
give a fuck.
I do give a
We
fuck.
took it there. We took it
I
there.
do give a
we
fuck.
took it there.
I do
we
give
took
a
it there.
fuck.
We
If
took
you
it
don't
to
have the
eyes.
professionalism to shut the fuck up and get this shit done, then what the fuck is you doing it for? Seriously, what the fuck is you doing it for?
Man, listen,
You know what I'm saying? You can't check your ego ever. You can't check your ego ever. You're gonna go into, oh, I don't give a fuck, this, that, and the third. No, I do give a fuck, man. I'm not wasting my fucking time.
Then let's get it
You know
done.
what I'm saying?
Then let's get
I'm
it
not
done.
wasting my
Then
fucking
we
time.
gonna get it done?
Check what the fuck comes out your mouth, man.
That's what
You know
I said.
I don't have to check
and
it.
vice versa.
You need to check
the fuck
it,
you want an
man.
apology because you're not gonna
You
get
need
that
to
from
check
me.
it.
You don't get an apology from me. I'm not gonna say sorry. I'm not gonna say. So what the fuck? Let's
It
get
ain't
it done.
nothing to
then.
fucking say sorry
Let's get it
about.
done. Then let's get it done. Then let's get it done.
You talking about this
All right, wrap it
sorry
up.
shit?
Close the day.
Ain't nobody the fuck talking about sorry.
What the fuck?
Nigga.
What the fuck we need to be talking about
And
right now?
fucking wrap it the fuck up. Since